It's hard to find that perfect balance between sport and comfort, especially when it comes to motorcycles. There are bikes which are dedicated to race the track along with your hearts. But then, can they be your daily driver? The aggressive riding posture, the immense power, the uncontrollable urge to go dangerously fast. Or there are bikes which are made to cruise, glide towards the horizon, losing track of time and space, much like a recliner and your favorite soap. But then, can these machines be ridden hard? Can you bend them into that corner which gives you that rush that your soul craves? Luckily for us, there's a whole segment of motorcycles made to do just that. One such machine is famous for its sheer name and identity. This is the Ninja 650. And no, it's not the Ninja the world would usually relate to. The gut-wrenching speed, the ferocity, the urge to go faster, the almost suicidal nature of these machines. But this one, it's different. Is that a good thing though? We'll find out, won't we? Now, it's not the most impressive when you look at the spec sheet. It has about 67, 68 horsepower, produces around 64 Newton meters of torque.
Comes with ABS as standard and Dunlop's Sportmax Road Sport 2 tires.
But does it really matter? Do those specs actually make a difference when you're riding in our city? Well, there's only one way to find out. Let's go for a spin on this little thing, shall we?
The Ninja 650 is a bit more than just aggressive performance.
So Kawasaki made this motorcycle for people who are just getting into the big bike scene. It's not boring, no way. But yeah, it's enough to put a smile on faces who are just getting into the field and getting accustomed to riding a bigger bike. I mean, for my example, I have been riding a motorcycle that is probably half the capacity of this, but it wasn't intimidating when I started riding it. Right off the bat, you fit onto it very comfortably. The riding posture is just in the middle. It's not too sporty, it's not too extreme, it's not a cruiser either, so you don't have to lean back all the way. But it's pure fun. You can get adapted to it very easily, and you can actually make this bike do stuff that probably you shouldn't be doing. I'm not advising that you should, but at the end of it all, a bike is meant to have fun on it. So this Ninja will deliver all the fun that you need. The truth is, everything that the spec sheet shows proves irrelevant as soon as you start riding this machine. My God, the handling, it feels so light. You can easily flick it around the corners and glide through traffic without any kind of hustle. There's so much torque in the low range, and it's such a smooth transition between the gears, meaning you can ride this at speeds of 30-40 kilometers an hour in fourth gear without any stutters. But make no mistake, it is at the end a Ninja, and it's only a matter of time when you open that throttle to unleash the true potential of this motorcycle.
So, should you get the Ninja 650? Well, that depends. If you're the kind of rider that wants to be a gentleman amongst others but aren't afraid to put the hammer down, then yes, this is the bike for you. In other words, if you're someone who's just getting used to a bigger bike, then this makes the perfect learning platform to actually sharpen your skills. Yeah, it doesn't come with all the other gadgets as compared to its elder siblings, for example, cruise control, riding modes, wheelie control, launch control and all the other controls, because it's not needed. It's a much more simpler motorcycle, it's a much more humble and a much more forgiving motorcycle. That being said, it does fall short in a few areas, for example the tires. I really wish Kawasaki had gone with something a little more stickier, a little more grip. These feel just a little loosey-goosey in harsher conditions such as rain or mud or gravel. The front two brakes work absolutely brilliantly though. They have the right amount of bite, they have the right amount of response. The rear one, however, it does kind of shake a little bit. It's mainly because the ABS kind of just kicks in way too sooner. But these are easy fixes. Put on a pair of decent tires like Metzeler's or Michelin's or Pirelli's if you can afford them, and just put maybe a ceramic caliper and you're pretty much sorted. The bike does come with some Bluetooth connectivity. No, it doesn't offer you features like connecting your phone or answering your phone or reading your messages, but it does provide you with some valuable information about your motorcycle. For example, what's your upcoming service date? Where did you last park it? Where is it currently parked? How many kilometers did you do? What's the fuel economy on this? That is definitely very, very important. There are a couple of accessories that you can get. For example, the Blockbuster lever guards and spider grips, Easy Grip tank pad and grips, spools by Evotech, frame sliders by Puig, and then many more. I am also running a BMC Performance air filter. So all combined, I think the Ninja 650 as an owner has been definitely the right choice for me. It's not too extreme, it's not boring at all. You can definitely have a lot of fun with this and definitely make a lot of miles on this as well. So I hope this video has been informational and I hope I've done justice to the 2021 BS6 Kawasaki Ninja 650. I hope you've liked this video. Hit the like and subscribe button, click that little bell icon on the top to get updated on the latest content coming towards you. Peace out.